Hi, Khushi.
Hello. Oh,
मैं இப்போ மியூட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
yeah, yeah.
Machine.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste everyone. My name is Devi and I will be your MC for today's event. A very happy Independence Day to one and all. We are truly blessed to be the citizens of this divine land, Bharat. This is an honor and there could be a technical lag. So I kindly request all of you to bear with us if you face any challenges. Welcome to the second day of Amritavarshini 2021, a vocal music competition to sing for the divine brought to you by the students and teachers of Raji's Music Academy. At the outset, I would like to inform all of you that we have 146 students in Raji Ma'am's Academy who are taking formal training in Carnatic music. It would be interesting to know that we had 107 students in the preliminary round. It took a lot of effort to judge and shortlist them and arrive at the magic number of 46 finalists. 23 participants performed yesterday, and we have another 23 participants waiting to enthrall all of you with their melodious voice. 13 students belong to the senior category and 10 students belong to the super senior category. We will be displaying the snippets of our sub-junior and junior winners during the breaks for our viewers and participants. It would also be interesting for our viewers to know that all the students at our academy are also given an opportunity to upgrade themselves through certified music examinations under 2 universities. They are encouraged to take up various levels of exams, that is Adhya, Madhya, Purna exams, and so on. I would like to invite Srimati Rajalakshmi Shrikant, the founder of Raji's Music Academy, for the welcome address. I have known her as my guru. She is the power and strength behind the success of this academy. She is extraordinarily creative with excellent leadership qualities. You may not know the other side of this vibrant personality. She is a master degree holder in commerce and has worked as professor of English and commerce for 14 years. She is imparting well-rounded practical and theoretical knowledge of Carnatic music, enriched with inspiring stories of musical gurus and mythological characters related to various kritis and kirtanas. She has won many laurels, which includes M.S. Subbalakshmi Award conferred upon her by Vagdevi Vilas Institutions, Bangalore. Kudos to her commitment. She is an inspiration to one and all. I invite Srimati Rajalakshmi to render the welcome address.
Namaste and thank you, Devi. Before we begin with our program officially, I would request Srimati Manju to light the lamp and sing the invocation. Srimati Manju.
Yes, ma'am.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakarishu Sarvada. Gurudeva Tava Mahaniya Kripa, Gurudeva Tava Mahaniya Kripa, Mere Jeevan ka avalamban hai, Mere Jeevan ka avalamban hai, Bas ek yahi mera bal hai, Gurudev Tava Mahaniya Kripa, Ajnaan bhare samshaya se bhare, Ajnaan bhare samshaya se bhare, विपरीत विचारों से भी भरे मन के अंधकार को दूर करे वचनामृत से तव बोध कृपा, मेरे जीवन का अवलंबन है, बस एक यही मेरा बल है, गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा, पल पल पग पग जीवन पथ पर, पल पल पग पग जीवन पथ पर, गुरु साथ मेरे रक्षक बनकर, बिसरो न कभी यह प्रेममयी आनंद भवदीय कृपा मेरे जीवन का अवलंबन है, बस एक यही मेरा बल है, गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा।
Thank you, Manju. I would like to request Raji ma'am to invoke the blessings of Ma Saraswati. This will be followed by a tribute to our motherland and welcome address.
Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namah. जय जय हे भगवती सुरा भारती तव चरणं प्रणमामः। जय जय हे भगवती सुरा भारती तव चरणं प्रणमामः। नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागीश्वरी, नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागीश्वरी, शरणं ते गच्छामः। जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणं प्रणमामः। त्वमसि शरण्या त्रिभुवनधन्या सुरमुनि वन्दितचरणा। त्वमसि शरण्या त्रिभुवनधन्या सुरमुनि वन्दितचरणा। नवरस मधुरा कविता मुखरा, नवरस मधुरा कविता मुखरा, स्मित रुचि रुचिरा भरणा, स्मित रुचि रुचिरा भरणा। जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणं प्रणमामः। आसीना भव मानसहंसे, आसीना भव मानसहंसे, कुन्दतुहिन शशिधवले, कुन्दतुहिन शशिधवले। हर जडतां कुरु बोधि विकासं, हर जडतां कुरु बोधि विकासं, सित पंकज तनु विमले, सित पंकज तनु विमले। जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणं प्रणमामः। नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागीश्वरी, नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागीश्वरी, शरणं ते गच्छामः, शरणं ते गच्छामः, शरणं ते गच्छामः। I would now like to present the national song as a mark of respect to our motherland. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Shashya Shamalam Mataram Vande Mataram Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini Pulla Kusumita Drumadala Shobhini Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini Sukhadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram. My salutations to my motherland. I once again extend my namaste to all the viewers who are connected to us through YouTube channel. I welcome all the viewers and Rasikas to our Amritavarshini Day 2 competition. I would also like to welcome all my lovely students, my senior students and my super seniors who are maybe a little nervous but completely prepared to contest with one another for our Amritavarshini finals. I would also like to take this opportunity to welcome my teaching staff, all my teachers, without whom I could have never thought of making this Amritavarshini happen. At the outset, I would like to first welcome my mother, Srimati Vijaya Vishwanathan, who also happens to be my first guru. My pranams to you, Mom. Can you please share a few words with the audience?
Vijay ma'am, can you please unmute yourself and talk again? You were in mute, ma'am. Yeah, please.
Sure. Namaste, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Thank you, Raji. Thank you, all the teachers. I welcome everyone, each and every teacher, and the children and viewers and parents, judges, everyone. I'm very happy to be here. Really, I'm thrilled and very, very happy to be here. At this age, my daughter gave me this opportunity to come and talk to you some few words which I don't know to express, but still I'm just telling you, I'm Vijay ma'am. I'm a senior teacher in Raji Music Academy. All the best, my dear children, for this program. Sing for the divine. That is an important message yesterday I got from the judges as well as other teachers, everyone. Do that only. All the best to you all. Thank you very much. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
Thank you, Mom, for these wonderful words. And that's exactly what all our students are going to do. They're going to sing for the divine. Next, I would like to welcome Manju ma'am, who connects to our students from Bangalore. Namaste, Manju ma'am. Welcome to Amritavarshini Day 2.
Namaste, ma'am. Namaste, all of you. Welcome all to Amritavarshini 2021. All the best, seniors and super seniors. Enjoy singing. Thank you.
Thank you, Manju ma'am. It's time now to welcome our training teacher from Chennai, Mrs. Chitra Ramanan. Namaste, Chitra ma'am.
Namaste, I am Mrs. Chitra Ramanan and I welcome you all to Amritavarshini. My best wishes to all the participants. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Thank you, Chitra ma'am. I would now like to welcome Srimati Lavanya, who also connects to our students from Bangalore. Welcome to Amritavarshini, Lavanya.
Hari Om, ma'am. Thank you. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I extend a warm welcome to all the parents, participants, and the viewers of Amritavarshini 2021 finalists. All the best finalists, super seniors and seniors. Keep going. Thank you. Hari Om.
Thank you, Lavanya. Now it's time to welcome Srimati Kusuma. Welcome, Kusuma, to day 2.
Thank you, ma'am. Welcome all of you, Amritavarshini 2021, day 2, which is for seniors and super seniors competition. All the very best for all the children. My blessings to all younger students and best wishes to all elder students. Thank you.
Thank you, Kusuma. We have often heard about people multitasking at home, multitasking, even all the IT people, and they say we are always multitasking. So I thought, why don't we do that in our academy as well? So we have our next teacher, Srimati Devi, who connects from Bangalore to all the students. She is multitasking today. She is not only my assistant teacher, but also the MC for the event today. Namaste and welcome, Devi.
Thank you, ma'am. Namaste, everyone. I am the assistant teacher to Raji ma'am, and as ma'am said, I am multitasking today. So I would like to welcome all the audience, teachers, parents, students, and also the participants for the day 2 Amritavarshini 2021. My blessings to all of you. May you excel in life. My best wishes to all the senior participants. Let's rock it today.
Thank you, Devi. It is time now for me to extend my welcome to our judges for the day. We have 2 judges who are connecting to us from Chennai today, Shri P.N. Shrikant. Hariom Shrikantji, and welcome, and thank you so much for accepting our invitation to become our judge for both the days.
Thank you. Great effort put in by the entire team, and best wishes to all the children. Thank you.
Our second judge for today is Srimati Parvati, who is also connecting to us from Chennai. Namaste Parvati, Hari Om, and welcome to day 2.
Hari Om, a warm welcome to all. Thanks once again for this opportunity. I've been looking forward to see the lovely kids and the more singing from elders too today. Yesterday we saw lovely kids singing, so today I want to hear more. Thank you so much for this opportunity. All the best, sing well.
Thank you very much, Srimati Parvati. Now over to our MC, Srimati Devi.
Thank you, Raji ma'am. Let me have the privilege of introducing our judges for Amritavarshini 2021. Mrs. Parvati Ramakrishnan. She is a trained Carnatic vocalist and performing artist from Chennai. She started her musical journey at the age of 7 in Kolkata under the training of Guru Srimati Padma Narasimhan and then late Guru Shankara Bhagavatar. Currently, she is training under Guru Mrs. Brinda. A chartered accountant by profession, Parvati sings Carnatic, bhajans, Rabindra Sangeet, as well as provides vocal support for Bharatanatyam dance performances. She easily weaves the classical and bhakti styles of music together, thus bringing out the bhakti bhav to the rasikas. She has participated in many competitions for Carnatic and light music and has won many prizes to her credit. She has also performed in various sabhas in Kolkata, Tirupati, and Chennai and won many prizes to her credit. She has performed in various sabhas as well. She has also participated in Chennai Punga Tiruvara, organized by the Tamil Nadu government. She has also traveled abroad for her performances and also represented India in the International Music and Dance Festival in Turkey, conducted by the International Council for Cultural Relations, Kolkata. Before I go on, welcome Parvati ma'am. Before I go on to introduce the other judge for the day, I would want all of you to know that we have students from US and UAE too, who have logged in today and happen to be the finalists of the competition. Isn't that amazing? We also have another esteemed judge with us, Mr. Shrikant. He is a passionate conscience keeper who has been fortunate to be employed as one. He is a hardworking devotee of Gitacharya. He is also a lover of every form of music that is rendered with bhakti. Mr. Shrikant is trained in bhajan singing by Srimati Sushila Acharya, who is a senior devotee of Swami Chinmayananda. He has participated and trained multiple teams of Chinmaya Yuva Kendra at Kolkata and Chennai in the bhajan sandhyas that were conducted. He was also a part of the first bhajan sandhya that was organized by involving members from multiple Chinmaya Yuva Kendra centers across India. He was one of the lead singers in the cassette titled Bharata Gauravaya Namaha, released by the Chinmaya Yuva Kendra, Chennai, as part of the Hari Om series in the year 2001. On the classical front, he has had exposure to the instrumental side. He has also learned violin from late Srimati Jaya Shankar at Kolkata. Welcome Mr. Shrikant. Before I take the permission of judges to invite our participants, let me also bring to your kind notice that some of our toppers who are participants today are the toppers in the examinations that they have taken in our academy. With the permission of the judges, I would like to invite our first participant for the day. I would like to invite Kumari Dia to sing a song for us. She will be singing Saraswati Hite in the Ragam Manji set to Aditalam. Dia?
Namaste, I am Dia Ranjit. Saraswati Hite Shivi Chidanande Shiva Sahite Saraswati Hite Shivi Chidanande Shiva Sahite Saraswati Hite Vasavadi Mahite Vasanadi Rahite Vasavadi Mahite Vasanadi Rahite Saraswati Hite Shivi Chidanande Shiva Sahite Saraswati Hite Kamakoti Nilaye Karadritamani Valaye Kamakoti Nilaye Karadritamani Valaye Malakara Hridaye Guru Bodhaye Mama Sadaye Malakara Hridaye Guru Bodhaye Mama Sadaye Saraswati Hite Shivi Chidanande Shiva Sahite Saraswati Hite. Namaste.
Thank you, Dia, for the beautiful song. Can we hear it for Dia? Our second contestant, Kshiti, will be rendering a Devar Nama in Ragam Simhendra Madhyamam and Talam Adi. Let's hear it for Kshiti.
Namaste, my name is Shruti. Narayana Hari Govinda Narayana Hari Govinda नारायण हरि गोविन्दा जय जय भयहरा परमानन्दा नारायण हरि गोविन्दा जय जय भयहरा परमानन्दा नारायण हरि गोविन्दा नर्तञ्चरा हर नव्यगुणाकरा नर्तञ्चरा हर नव्यगुणाकरा नारदगानविलोला नारदगानविलोला नारायण हरि गोविन्दा जय जय भयहरा परमानन्दा नारायण हरि गोविन्दा त्रिपुरसंहारक विपरीतरूप विपुलकली अवतारा त्रिपुरसंहारक विपरीतरूप विपुलकली अवतारा दास दास श्री पुरन्दर विठ्ठलन दास दास श्री पुरन्दर विठ्ठलन शेषशयन सर्वेशा शेषशयन सर्वेशा नारायण हरि गोविन्दा जय जय भयहरा परमानन्दा नारायण हरि गोविन्दा 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 श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः.
Thank you, Kshiti. Can we hear it for Kshiti, please? Let's move on to our third contestant. Our third contestant, Magis, will be singing a kriti composed by Papanashi Shiva. Over to you, Magis.
Namaste. My name is Magesh Kumar. Shri Madhava Vasudeva Devadideva Kesava 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 Shri Madhava Vasudeva Ramanuja Raj Raja Ramanuja Raj Raja Rakendu Vadana Radhapate Rakendu Vadana Radhapate Shri Madhava वासुदेव देवादिदेव केशव श्रीमाधव वासुदेव कपट नाटक सूत्रधार कपट नाटक सूत्रधार कंसादि दुर्जन संहारा कंसादि दुर्जन संहारा चपल गोपिका चार चोरा चपल गोपिका चार चोरा जय जय कृपात् परात् परा जय जय कृपात् परात् परा श्रीमाधव वासुदेव देवादिदेव केशव श्रीमाधव वासुदेव श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः.
Thank you, Magis. Can we hear it for Magis, please?
Yeah, this is Rajalakshmi here. I request the judges to please inform us if at any point of time any Sangadi or any Chadnam or Pallavi of the Kriti is not clear to you. You can please inform us and we can ask the participant to repeat the Pallavi or the Chadnam. Thank you.
I think one suggestion, when they are keeping the Shruti box near the or the phone near to the mic where they are singing, I think let's maintain some distance. Otherwise, the vibration is causing the variation in the sound.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Contestants, please make note of the point that Parvati ma'am has brought about. Then it will be easy for our judges to judge and also arrive the correct result. All right. So thank you, Magis, for that, Kriti. Moving on to our next contestant. Our fourth contestant is Chiranjeevi Vedant, who will be rendering a popular Kriti, Himagiri Tane. Vedant, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, you can start.
हिमगिरि तनये हे मलते अम्बाईश्वरी शीललिते मामवा हिमगिरि तनये हे मलते अम्बाईश्वरी शीललिते मामवाई मगिरि तनये हे मलते अम्बाईश्वरी शीललिते मामवाई मगिरि तनये हे मलते अम्बाईश्वरी शीललिते मामवाई मगिरि तनये हे मलते रमावाणि संसेवित सकले रमावाणि संसेवित सकले रमावाणि संसेवित सकले रमावाणि Sasani ni pa 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 ma ga ma pa ni sa sa ga ga sa ni pa ni pa ma pa pa ma ga pa ma ni pa sa ni sa ga pa ni sa ga ma pa sa ga pa ni pa sa ni sa pa ni sa ga ma ga ga sa ni pa pa ni ma pa pa ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ga ma pa ni ma gi ti ta na ye malate अंबरीश्वरी ललिते मामवा हिमगिरि तनये हे मलते आशां पुषेषु दण्डकरे हस्तपदे पाशां पुषेषु दण्डकरे हस्तपदे अशाम्भर हरिकेश विलासे अशाम्भर हरिकेश विलासे अशाम्भर हरि केश विलासे अशाम्भर हरि केश विलासे आनंद रूपे अमित प्रकाशे आनंद रूपे अमित प्रकाशे तासनी प प प म ग म पनि प म पनि सा सनि पनि नि प म प प म ग प म नि प सनि नि सा नि सा ग प नि सा ग म प ग म प नि प सा नि सा सा नि प नि सा ग म म ग ग सा सा नि प प नि म म प प ग म प ग म प प नि प ग म प नि म gi ti तनये हे मलते अंबरीश्वरी ललिते मामवा हिमगिरि तनये हे मलते हे मलते हे मलते
Thank you, Vedant. Can we hear a huge round of applause for Vedant, please? Moving on to our next contestant, I would like to welcome Kumari Sakshi, who will be singing Bhadrachala Ramadasa Kriti. Sakshi?
Yes, ma'am. Namaste, I'm Sakshi. Yennaganu Rama Bhajana Kannamikilunnada Yennaganu Rama Bhajana Sannutinchu Shri Rama Chandrudala Chave Manasa Sannutinchu Shri Rama Chandrudala Chave Manasa Sannutinchu Shri Rama Chandrudala Chave Manasa Kannavinnavari Veda Konnanemi Phalam Manasa Kannavinnavari Veda Konnanemi Phalam Manasa Yenaganu Rama Bhajana Kannamikilunnada Yennaganu Rama Bhajana Ramachilukano-kati penchi Prema mataladanirpa రామచిలుకనొకటి పెంచి ప్రేమ మాటలాడనేప రామ రామ రమాయనుచు రమణియుకటే రామ రామ రమాయనుచు రమణియుకటే ప్రేమ మీర భద్రాది తముదైన రామ విభుడు ప్రేమ మీర భద్రాది తముదైన రామ విభుడు ప్రేమ మీర భద్రాది తముదైన రామ విభుడు కామితాత ఫలములిచి కైవల్య మోసగలేదా కామితాత ఫలములిచి కైవల్య మోసగలేదా ఎనగాను రామ భజన కన్న మీకిలున్నదా ఎన్నగాను రామ భజన శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః.
Sakshi, we couldn't hear your Shruti at all. So can you just sing 2 lines, make your Shruti a little louder and sing 2 lines, please. Okay. Just 2 lines is enough.
So is it heard?
Yeah. No, can you get it a little closer to your whichever device?
So now? ఎన్నగాను రామ భజన కన్న మీకిలున్నదా ఎన్నగాను రామ భజన
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sakshi. Can we hear a huge round of applause for Sakshi? Thank you, everyone. Let's welcome our next contestant, Kumari Harshita. She will be singing a popular kriti composed by Sri Tyagaraja Swami.
Namaste, I'm Harshita. Banturiti kolu vijavaiya Rama, 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 Banturiti kolu vijavaiya Rama. Tunta vinti vani, tunta vinti vani, kolu viyavaiya Rama. Romanjamanu ghanakanchukamu Rama bhaktudanu mudra billayu. Romanjamanu ghanakanchukamu Rama bhaktudanu mudra billayu. Ramanama manu Ramanama manu Ramanama manu Varakadgami 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 Virajillunayya Tyagaraju nike bantu reeti kolu. Ramanama manu Varakadgami Virajillunayya Tyagaraju nike bantu reeti kolu. Viyavaiya Rama bantu reeti kolu. Viyavaiya Rama. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Thank you, Harshita.
Harshita, 1 minute. Can you just tell us where you started the Bantu Riti Koluvu from? Talam engendha start pandre? Ingendha. Okay, fine.
Thank you, Harshita. Can we hear a huge round of applause for Harshita? Our next contestant is Kumari Tanvi, who will be rendering Annamacharya Kriti. Tanvi, can we have you?
Namaste, my name is Tanvi. Muttugare Yashoda Mungita Mutyamu Vedu Diddarani Mahimala Devaki Sutudu Muttugare Yashoda.
Sorry, Tanvi. I'm so sorry to interrupt. Yes. Can you increase the Shruti sound a little bit, please?
Yes. Is it heard now?
Yashikan sir and Parvati ma'am, you can let us know if you're able to hear it.
No, I was actually wanting her to finish and then, do the same thing that I did with Sakshi. Yeah. Anyway, if you can bring it a little closer to your device, then the Shruti will be a little more audible.
Sir, is it fine now?
Yeah, and let it play for 2-3 seconds, ma. Then we'll be able to hear it properly. Then you start. Are you playing it?
Can you make it a little louder? Not able to hear.
Now?
Can you only play the Shruti once on the mic so that the judges can hear it? Just play it for 2 seconds and then keep it away and then you start. They want to know the Shruti on which you're starting.
Now, is it heard now?
No, we can't hear it.
It's very feeble, Kanna. Maybe you can bring it near the mic. Or where you're...
Bring it from where you're speaking. Bring it to the point from where you are speaking.
Can you increase the volume? Are you using the Shruti on a phone?
Yes, sir.
Can you put it on full volume and then keep it close to the laptop or any other device on which